Here is how to log in on the Boo dating app. Hello everyone, welcome back to app tutorial. In this video, I'll show you how you can log in on the Boo dating app. So let's start. First of all, make sure you have downloaded the latest version of the app. For that, you can simply go to your store. Then after, make sure your app is updated. After you have downloaded the app, you can simply tap on open. After that, you'll come to an interface like this. Now if you have already created your account, then you can simply log into your Boo dating account. For that, you'll get the signing in options with Google and email. In case you have created your Boo account using Google account, you can simply tap on sign in with Google and then log into your account. Furthermore, if you have used a particular email address, you can tap on sign in with email and then enter the login details. After that, simply log in. Since I created my account using Google account, I'll tap on sign in with Google. After that, you have to select the Google account that you used while creating your account. As you select your Google account, you will be successfully logged into your Boo account. So in this way, you can easily log into Boo. That's it for the video. Make sure to subscribe to the channel for further similar videos and drop a like if you found this helpful.